Okay, we're on the 1928 classic Yacht Euphemia, and today's project is the replacing the fan in the Dickinson stove. I received it spare parts just the other day. It took a little while because actually I ordered the fan, and then I found out when I was looking at this that I actually needed to order a new switch as well, even though my switch seemed to be okay. So I waited longer, got the switch. You can get it just a switch, or you can get a switch encased in stainless. I did this one, even though my stove is a Pacific. No, sorry, my stove is an Adriatic, and I guess it doesn't need that. But I was able to mount it just by drilling a couple holes and putting a couple of screws in. Wiring is super simple. It's actually easier than the old wiring. Okay, so the stove is still open right now, and this is the box that I installed. I put a little tape down here because just to prevent rattling noise, hopefully anyway. Might have to put rubber there. And if you look inside, let me get my light. There you go. That's the new fan in there. It was a little tricky. One of the screws in particular was a little bit tricky to get in there, but it worked. And the wiring is, like I said, it's easier now. It doesn't have these other items in the middle of the wiring. And so I also now have an on-off switch on the box. So if I turn it on, you'll see the fan go, and I can adjust the speed up and down. So it's working nicely. And so this is it buttoned up. And in case somebody's wondering why I had to replace the fan, it's because it simply fell apart. First it fell off its mount, and then I thought, oh, I'll try to fix it, and then the wires just fell off the fan. So it was definitely due. I think this is a really old stove, and it still works well. I do have to clean it. I could probably improve the flow of the diesel going into it so I can get more diesel going into it. But it does put enough diesel in it to get her pretty hot.